Challapalli. Today I came up with important update on Capgemini updated hiring process and test pattern. Yes, Capgemini started hiring students from various colleges by virtual. And one thing, Capgemini does not conduct national level drives like Wipro, TCS or etc. It selects students from their partner colleges. If your college is eligible, then only you will get the application link from your training and placement department. Before starting the video, subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get instant notifications. Let's begin now. First, let us check the eligibility criteria. Main thing, first you need to check if your college is Capgemini partner college or not by contacting your placement head. Next, you must be BE, BTech or MCA student. And most probably, the drive will be for CS, IT and circuit branches. And contact your placement head for clarification. It may vary from college to college. And probably the criteria, you should have minimum 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation. And you should not have any active backlog and 1 year education gap allowed between intern or diploma and first year of graduation. And there would be 2 designation roles which they are hiring for, and it may differ from college to college. And the first role is senior analyst and the package would be 6.8 LPA. And the second role is analyst and probably the package would be 3 lakh per annum. It may vary according to college. First, let us see old pattern. So first round was analytical section, which includes quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. There was 32 questions in this section. And there was one essay writing question. After that, there was a pseudocode round. It includes 20 questions. And then technical and HR interviews. So as we have seen the old pattern, let's check the new pattern. So in new pattern, it's going to have, you can see 5 rounds. The first round will be technical assessment pseudocode and second round will be MCQ based English communication test and the third round will be game based aptitude test, fourth will be behavioral competency profiling and fifth will be technical and HR interviews. And comparing to the old pattern, they have replaced analytical section with game based aptitude test, which is the third round in new pattern, and essay writing with MCQ based English communication test and pseudocode round with technical assessment pseudocode, which is placed in first round in new pattern, and then behavioral competency profiling round is added newly, and technical and HR interview are as it is. Now we are going to see each round in detail. So first round is technical assessment pseudocode. It is going to be an elimination round. So you need to crack this round to go to next round. Different types of pseudocode questions are like, a pseudocode is given and you need to check for errors in that code, or you need to complete the pseudocode to get the desired output, and also you will be required to write the logic of a program to get the desired output mentioned in the question. These are some different pseudocode questions. So the first hurdle you can see is the pseudocode round if you want to go to the further round. Next is the MCQ based English communication test. Again it is an elimination round. And the probable topics on this will be sentence completion using adverbs, nouns and adjectives, and fill in the blanks using articles, prepositions and synonyms that will be with similar meanings. And there will be correcting spelling errors. You need to correct some spelling mistakes with correct spelling. And the third one is game based aptitude test, and it is also an elimination round, which is something newly added by Capgemini. There will be some probable games like grid challenge, motion challenge, switch challenge and digit challenge. As you can see on the screen, these are some probable games based on the logical reasoning and etc. And the most important thing is, don't be nervous or afraid of this particular round. because there is a chance that before every game module you'll have a chance to practice it and get familiar before starting the actual test. So you don't worry about that, as you will have a chance to practice for every game module. After that, there will be a behavioral competency profiling round. It's a non-elimination round. So it says once you crack the previous round, sure that you will be entering the interview round. So this round is basically looks for your behavior and the way of interaction with others. It checks your team skills and your profile. So I am just giving here two examples. Let's see the first one. There is a statement given: is capable of adequately persuading others about something. Persuading, that means convincing. After reading these statements, you need to select any of the option. There is no correct or wrong answers here. Every answer you have to select according to your personality. And then they will be checking your behavior accordingly. Second example is often spontaneously takes charge or is appointed by others as leader. Again, you need to select one of the options. So such types of questions will be there in this round. And the last round is technical and HR interview round. These interviews will be happen like as companies all companies interviews round. So this is the latest pattern and selection process of Capgemini. Keep watching. Hope you like it. It is helpful. If you like it, please click the like button, share and subscribe the channel. And also press bell icon for all to get instant notifications. Thank you.